This container says it fights grease, trusted for over 100 years. We don't need to fight grease, we need to fight COVID. Let me introduce you to Joshua. Together, our goal is to raise funds to be able to make 200 liters of household disinfectant and 100 liters of hand sanitizer.
Disinfectants that I've made will be used in various ways in the fight against COVID-19. First of all, it's going to be sprayed on the clothes and any other places that we more often get in touch with. Thanks so much everybody who participated in this, in the contribution, in every way.
We must fight coronavirus against all odds. It's time to spread away the virus.